Okay, so look at this problem. How can we get a common factor? Look at whether the denominators are both 2018. So next, should I swap the positions of 2019 and 2017? The base remains unchanged, right? At this point, we have created a common factor, which is 2019 over 2018. Now, for the second method, I can swap the positions of 2017 and 2019. Have I created a common factor, which is 2017 over 2018? All right, those are the two methods. Today, I won't be teaching either of these two methods. Instead, I'm going to teach you another way to observe this. Look at 2019, 2018, 2017. Aren't they all consecutive natural numbers with a difference of 1 between them? Isn't that right? What is the middle number? Isn't the middle number exactly the denominator, 2018? Now that we've found the pattern, how should we break it down? So taking 2018 as the middle number, we can break down 2019 into 2018 plus 1. Isn't that just 2019? And then multiply it by, in parentheses, 2017, which I can break down into 2018 minus 1. All right, next we add, similarly, isn't it the same over here? 2017 becomes 2018 minus 1, and 2019 becomes 2018 plus 1. So what do we need to use next? Take a look. Next, everyone must master a formula. It's a must-know formula for middle school entrance exams. What is it? The difference of squares formula. What does that mean? Look, a squared minus b squared, that's a difference of squares, right? And what does it equal? It equals a plus b multiplied by ab. You must memorize this formula. All right, now let's look at 2018 plus 1 multiplied by 2018 minus 1. Isn't that exactly this part of the formula? So working backwards, doesn't it become 2018 squared minus 1 squared, which is just 1? Okay, and for the next part, adding the following term, doesn't it also become 2018 squared minus 1? Next, we can add the fractions together. Doesn't that become over 2018? Look, 2018 squared terms, isn't that equivalent to 2 times 2018 squared minus how many ones? 2 ones, so minus 2. At this step, you must remember, students, please do not try to calculate this directly. Otherwise, it will be very troublesome, very troublesome. So what should we do? I will split this fraction again. Split it into what? I can split it into 2 times 2018 squared over 2018 minus 2 over 2018. Isn't the result the same? Yes. All right, what does it equal next? Let's write it over here. After simplifying, doesn't it become 2 times 2018? Okay, then subtract. After simplifying the latter part, doesn't it become 1 over 1009? All right, next, 2 times 2018 equals 4036 minus 1 over 1009. So the final result is 4035 and 1008 over 1009. Did you learn it?